Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do with an issue when an app in Google Play Store is stuck on pending on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. First, let's go back and let's make sure that downloading over any network is enabled, because you can have enabled downloading over Wi-Fi only, and you can see I'm not currently connected to Wi-Fi, so that might be the issue. Let's click on the top right corner, then Settings, Network Preferences, App Download Preference, and you can see it's over Wi-Fi only. Let's change it to over any network. Then go back. Search for the app you wanted to download. Wait a moment because your connection might be slow. And now let's cancel download and press on install again to see if it helped. If it starts downloading after a while, that means that the problem has been solved. And if it doesn't, you'll just need to connect to a Wi-Fi network and download it over Wi-Fi. Let's just wait a moment. If it starts downloading, and it does start downloading. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.